have a drawing of your floor plan. Now we'll be getting into it in marketing materials and products here in just a little bit more about something that might make this easier. But having a drawing of your floor plan is ridiculously affordable and simple. And it's really incredibly important for a lot of buyers out there to be able to specify what the floor plan's like. Is it, what do you mean by wide open floor plan, split floor plan? If you can show them in a two-dimensional drawing exactly how the floor plan lays out, that will eliminate a whole lot of their questions when they're looking at the images and saying, how does that flow? There are a ton of very affordable or even free apps out there that are a lot of fun. You can give one to my 14-year-old. It's called Magic Plan. And he ran around the house and entirely drew a detailed floor plan with all room dimensions, doorways, windows, fireplaces. Everything was measured in and specific on a drawing that he was 14 years old and did it really well. So make sure that you have that and it'll come in handy. And I'll see you in the next lesson.